Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Viewers, you are seeing SM Mohid Info, and this is episode number 5 of MCQs, a serial that I have started for MCQs of English literature. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment also on this video. So, question number first of this video. G.B. Shah and Oscar Wilde belong to option A is England, B America, C France, and D option is Ireland. But right answer is D option, Ireland. Question number 2. Which poet is considered a national hero in Greece? John Keats, Lord Byron, Solon, or Sappho? Right answer is Lord Byron. Question number 3. Using words and letters to imitate sounds, whether it is called alliteration, simile. Option C is onomatopoeia, and D option is metaphor. But right option is onomatopoeia. Question number 4. What is said about Marlowe by critics? Father of dramatic poetry, father of English poetry, father of English novel, or none of these? Right answer is father of dramatic poetry. Question number 5. Puritan age is also called age of Dryden, age of Milton, Restoration period, or Victorian period? Age of Milton. Question number 6. Restoration period is also called age of Milton, Victorian age of Dryden, or Puritan age? Right option is age of Dryden. Question number 7. Puritan poetry is also called option A is Jacobean poetry, B is Caroline poetry, C is both of these, and D option is none of above. Right option is option A, Jacobean poetry. Question number 8. Who is father of comedy of manners? Option A is G.B. Shah, B is W.B. Yeats, C is Ibsen, and D option is Oscar Wilde. Right answer is option A, G.B. Shah. Question number 9. What is keynote of Fielding's words? Realism, subjectivity, romance, and D option is sentimentalism. But correct option is option A, realism. Question number 10. In many ways, Middle English period is a period of transition, experience. Both of these are permanent values. Right option is option C. Both of these means A and B. Question number 11. Who wrote Spanish tragedy? Lily, Marlowe, George Pili, Thomas Kidd? D option is right option for this question, Thomas Kidd. Question number 12. Second period of Elizabethan drama was dominated by Sidney, University Wits, Spenser, and Shakespeare. Option B is right option for this question, University Wits. Question number 13. A poem that generally has meter and rhyme, whether it is called lyric, free verse, narrative, or imagery? a lyric. Question number 14. A poem with no meter or rhyme is called lyric, free verse, narrative, or none of these. Option B is free verse. Question number 15. A poem that tells a story with plot, setting, and characters is called lyric or free verse, narrative, or none of the above. Option C is narrative. Question number 16. A description that appeals to one of five senses, whether it is called imagery, personification, metaphor, or none of these. Answer is A option, imagery. Question number 17. Applying human qualities to non-human things, whether it is called personification, onomatopoeia, alliteration, simile. Personification. Question number 18. What is the poem called whose first letters of each line spell out of a word? Alliterative, epic, acrostic, haiku. Acrostic, C option. Question number 19. Shakespeare composed much of his plays in what sort of verse? Alliterative verse, sonnet form, iambic pentameter, or D option is dactylic hexameter. So right option is C option, iambic pentameter. Question number 20. Which poet invented the concept of variable foot in poetry? Option A is William Carlos Williams, Emily Dickinson, Hopkins, and D option is Robert Frost. But the right option for this question is that option A, William Carlos Williams. Thanks a lot, viewers. But again, request is that don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment also.